I never imagined what it could happen. I mean, for me, you were just like a friend that I had on Tandem. He's from Mexico, I'm from Brazil. We just realized that we match in a lot of aspects, and we also love to learn with each other.
I started talking with this guy 1 year, 1 month ago.
I just invite you to come to the Carnival of
And,
Brazil.
and
And he's
a
just like
crazy.
immediately, yes, I'm going, and that's it. And we super like get super excited about this, and he just came.
Yes, that's the thing. So that was the most crazy thing that I had done in my life. Just basically traveling to another country to meet this guy. And now I'm really happy. So thank God that this decision was made, and I accepted your invitation to come here. So now it's the second time that I just returned here to Brazil just to stay more time. And yes, I'm very happy.
Thanks, Standing, about just to make this happen and to meet this incredible guy that now is in Brazil.